What are some things we can do with the Oracle Database 12c Scheduler? Well, number one, we can run code. The idea here is that we may have jobs that need to run regularly. Maybe we need to export table data every night for sharing with one of our business partners. Maybe we have automatic maintenance tasks. As you'll see, Oracle has a bunch of auto tasks already defined that will do things like gather statistics and optimize tables, but you may want to take the next step and take control of that process. To that point, you can run Java. Remember, Oracle and Java are the same company. Oracle purchased Sun Microsystems and therefore owns the Java source code. We can run Java procedures or PLSQL. We can do RMAN scripting. Any task that you're going to do more than a couple times would be a good candidate for plugging into the Oracle Database Scheduler. I mentioned a minute or two ago that the Oracle Scheduler is not the same thing as an operating system scheduler, but you can, in fact, using what Oracle calls external jobs and external programs, is run OS shell scripts. Isn't that cool? So you not only can run native PLSQL or Java code, but you actually can call a .sh shell script in Linux or a .bat or .cmd command file in Windows. And then those shell scripts would execute line by line as normal to do database backups, ETL operations, whatever your business needs are. Another neat factor is that Oracle Scheduler has two scheduling methods. The traditional one, which I'm sure is immediately intuitive to you, is time-based scheduling. This is where you can schedule a job to run on a particular date and time. You can either have it happen once or you could do a recurrence. You can even do complex intervals like every Monday and Wednesday and Friday at 3 a.m. except on holidays. I mean, you really have a lot of flexibility on how you do your scheduling. What's even more cool is that you can do event-based scheduling. You can have jobs kick off when certain conditions are met. There's a file watcher component such that you might have your scheduler set to watch a directory for the presence of a file. Your business partner may be exporting data on their side and using FTP to transfer the file to a particular directory. Oracle Scheduler waits and watches for that file. When it shows up, boom, a job takes off and whatever you need it to do business logic-wise takes place. So that is event-based scheduling. You can also do dependency-based scheduling. That's not on the slide, but what dependency scheduling is what's called a job chain, where you can create a task sequence that uses branching or conditional logic or nested chains. If you have experience with SQL Server in the Microsoft world, you're familiar with SQL Server Integration Services or SSIS. This is the same idea. Finally, and I've repeated this quite a bit, we can and should link our jobs, our scheduler jobs, to resource consumer groups. Remember from the previous module that consumer groups are our logical entity that are subject to resource plan directives, and it's how we can control resource access and also at the same time guarantee a minimum level of resource access for different user populations.